Today, I am reviewing the Huness I25 Ultra Unlock phone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a smartphone that blends style, performance, and practicality, all at an incredible value, the Huness I25 Ultra might be exactly what you've been searching for. This phone delivers the kind of premium features you'd expect from top-tier brands, but at a fraction of the cost, all wrapped up in a bold, deep purple design that immediately catches the eye. Let's take a closer look at everything this device offers, because the Huness i25 Ultra isn't just another Android phone. It's a feature-packed powerhouse built for both productivity and entertainment. Starting with the display, the Huness i25 Ultra features a large 6.99-inch HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels. That's a crisp, vibrant panel that makes watching videos, reading, and gaming a genuinely enjoyable experience. Colors look rich and sharp, text appears smooth, and the overall viewing area feels immersive, perfect for streaming content or editing photos. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching movies, or using split-screen multitasking, that nearly 7-inch display gives you the kind of space usually found on tablets. And even with that big screen, the phone remains slim and easy to hold. Next, let's talk about the built-in pen, one of the standout features of this device. Having a stylus built right into the phone makes it incredibly versatile. You can jot down notes, sketch ideas, or even sign documents directly on the screen. It's ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who loves having a bit more precision than a fingertip can provide. The stylus slides neatly into the body of the phone when not in use, so it's always right there when inspiration strikes, a rare find in this price range. Under the hood, the Huness i25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. That's an impressive combination, giving you lightning-fast performance and more than enough space for all your apps, photos, videos, and games. You can easily run demanding applications, play graphics-intensive games, or multitask between multiple windows, all without lag or stutter. And if you need even more storage, the phone supports an additional TF card, letting you expand your capacity for music, movies, or 4K videos. This setup isn't just powerful, it's future-proof. With Android 14 on board, you get the latest software improvements, a modern user interface, and advanced privacy protections. It's smooth, smart, and ready for years of use. Now for the camera system, the i25 Ultra delivers serious photographic muscle. It features a 108-megapixel main rear camera and a 68-megapixel front-facing camera, both equipped with advanced image processing and AI enhancements. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or selfies, the results are sharp, detailed, and vibrant. The AI camera software adjusts automatically to lighting conditions, ensuring beautiful results even in low light. And for added convenience, there's a dedicated quick photo button, so you can capture moments instantly without fumbling through menus. Facial recognition and fingerprint unlock also come standard, providing fast, secure access while keeping your data protected. Powering all this technology is a massive 7,000 mAh battery. This means you can comfortably get through up to 2 full days of moderate to heavy use on a single charge. Whether you're traveling, gaming, or working remotely, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. It's the kind of reliability that gives you freedom, one less thing to think about in your daily routine. Connectivity is another area where the Huness i25 Ultra excels. It supports dual SIM 5G, so you can run 2 phone numbers at once. Ideal for separating work and personal life, or for frequent travelers who need a second SIM abroad. The global band support ensures strong 5G signal coverage in most regions, giving you fast data speeds, smoother video calls, and lag-free streaming wherever you go. The phone also includes Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, and FM radio, making it a complete communication and entertainment hub. And yes, it even comes with Face ID, a fingerprint sensor, and multiple accessories right in the box. Huness includes a screen protector, earphones, phone case, charger, USB cable, stylus pen, and even a clip pin. It's a fully equipped package designed to get you started without any extra purchases, something you rarely see today. The design itself deserves mention. The deep purple finish gives the phone a premium, sophisticated look. It's bold without being flashy, elegant yet durable, and feels comfortable in hand thanks to its smooth matte texture. Every detail, from the curved edges to the button placement, has been carefully crafted for everyday usability. In summary, the Huness i25 Ultra smartphone delivers a complete, flagship-level experience without the flagship price tag. You're getting a huge 6.99-inch HD Plus display, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, a built-in stylus, dual SIM 5G connectivity, and a long-lasting 7,000 mAh battery, all wrapped in a stylish deep purple design. Whether you're a professional who needs a reliable work phone, a student who takes notes on the go, or just someone who loves great value and performance, the Huness I25 Ultra is a fantastic choice. It's more than just a smartphone. It's your notepad, your camera, your gaming console, and your creative companion, all in one elegant, powerful device.